Good evening, everybody. It is June 2nd, 2023. It's Kay and Alan, and we decided to send out the sounds of the beginning of summer to everybody. If you could figure out what location we're in, kudos to you. But those sounds are the sounds of Michigan summer. Guess where we are in Michigan tonight?
Like a freaking chorus out there.
Now, everybody, as we all start our holidays and family, kids getting back out of school, remember to take those quiet moments and remember pure summer. Get yourself to something that you can hear this, or just take an opportunity to listen at night. It'll rejuvenate the heart, body, and soul. And that's what we hope everybody does, is have a peaceful evening and summer to come. Enjoy. We're going to continue our walk in the dark, listening to those glorious sounds of summer.